Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel today, and today I'm here with another video to be sharing with you guys the easiest and quickest beef biryani, which I always make at home. And when I'm expecting some guests, like suddenly they're planning over to come, so I actually cut down all the beef, because when I got it from the butcher they actually gave me some big pieces. So here I have cut all the beef pieces in a small pieces, just a regular piece for the biryani, so it's going to be easier to cook down and to make the beef soften as well. And as you can see, I got some bones as well today, and I'm gonna be marinating the beef for overnight because I'm gonna be cooking that for the next day. So I'm gonna add like garlic and chili oil. If you want, you can add olive oil or any other branded oil, whichever you prefer. It doesn't really matter. So I'm adding like turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon, and then I've added salt as well, and cumin powder 1.5, cumin powder and coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon, and I'm adding like nutmeg powder as well. So I'm gonna add like chili powder and white pepper powder. So if you guys don't want it spicy, just avoid the chili powder. You can add like black pepper or white pepper powder, that's absolutely fine, or you can add like fresh chilies. It actually depends how much spicy you like. So I'm gonna be marinating them for overnight, and have added all the spices, and I'm adding the garam masala as well. So what it does to marinate the meat overnight, it actually absorbs all the flavors of the spices, and then you can, if you don't have time, you can actually marinate them for 1 hour, just because it's beef, so it actually takes time to absorb all the flavor from the the curry powder and stuff like that, like all the spices or natural spices. That's why otherwise I actually recommend marinating overnight. It's gonna be the best. And I've actually added a bit oil because I thought I'm actually feeling like there's not enough oil. So that's the garlic and chili flavored oil, which I really like these days. So I'm gonna be covering them. I've already marinated, and I'm marinating them with the stick because there were bones on it. So I woke up the next morning, which is a very beautiful day, and the beef have been marinated overnight, and I cut down some onion slices as well. As you can see, I've taken a very big pot because I'm gonna be cooking right about like 5.5 kilo. That's why. So in that case, if you guys can ask that the beef shows that it's small amount, but it's actually not. So I'm going to add olive oil butter. In that case, I'm going to say some people might use like ghee, which is clarified butter, but I am adding olive oil butter because I don't really prefer like ghee on it, because there are beef as well. So I want to make it healthier as well, let's be honest with you guys, along with cooking the biryani and have the great flavor. So I am adding, have added like all the spices like whole cardamom, whole black peppercorn, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and then added the onions as well. I've like after 5 minutes the onions is gonna be really soft, because the olive oil butter it actually makes the onions really soft and quickly. And I'm adding the marinated beef, and you're gonna be mix them very nicely. Not gonna lie, mixing is the most important thing in this side, because the beets are already marinated with all the spices, and I'm just mixing them with the onions. Some people have actually marinate the beef like later on after putting on the onion, but it's absolutely up to you. But I definitely recommending to marinate the beef overnight, because that actually increases the flavor. So it's all mixed with the onion, and after 20 minutes, as you can see, the beef came out very smoky, and it was really flavorful. Not gonna lie to you, it was really flavorful, even though it seems like that there is olive oil butter on it, but it doesn't really matter. It was really flavorful. I will definitely recommend you guys to give it a try. Believe me or not, you just have to give it a try, and you can actually prove it. Like, it's really nice. I've actually tasted this and I've done it several times at home. That's what I'm saying it to you, and I'm really confident about this recipe, so must give it a try if you do like it. And now after 10 minutes I'm gonna add like 1 cup of hot water. And the secret recipe, the secret ingredients for this recipe is chicken stock. So chicken stock is absolutely fine with the beef. It doesn't really bother, or there is not like any different type of flavor of the chicken to it, so it's absolutely fine. It absolutely goes with everything, with the beef as well. So I've added like 1 teaspoon, as you can see, and I'm gonna cover it up with the foil, the beef, so that it can melt, so that it can. And the rice is there, so I've actually soaked them in hot water for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, lots of water came out from the beef, and they are really soft because I've actually covered them with aluminum foil, and it's really soft. And I'm adding the rice right now. So after adding the rice, I'm gonna add 1 more teaspoon of the chicken stock, and I don't need any more water because the water came out from the beef is enough for the rice. It's actually really flavorful. And I'm adding fried onion right now. So this is really optional. This is actually my version. When I cook the beef biryani, I always add like fried onion, and I'm gonna set on low heat for about 15 minutes. So this is for about 15 minutes, not more than that. And as you can see, after 15 minutes, that's the final result of my patience of all this time that I was cooking, and we have done the marination. So this is the really fluffy, easiest, quick and time saving as well. I can definitely say that if you make all the preparations within 30 to 35 minutes, your biryani will be ready. And as you can see, the color came out really nice. It seems like, you know, a restaurant style biryani, and it was really flavorful. I'm not gonna lie to you, this was really nice, and the meat came out really soft and tender. So I definitely recommend to try it out when you are expecting like guests or some friends and family coming over. So I'm actually serving them for lunch today, and I've done some salad as well, which is like cucumber, tomatoes, olive and lemons. So as you can see, I don't know if you guys want to try it out, but do give it a thumbs up and try it out. And thanks for watching my whole video, and subscribe to my channel if you like it, and I'll be back with more videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.